Don't combine relative imports and absolute import or package import. Let's see why. Before that, some people say that use relative import, some say that use package import. It's personal preference, you can use whatever you like. But don't combine both type of imports in your project. To achieve that, we have two linters. Always use package imports and prefer relative imports. Always use package import will give linter error when we do relative imports, and prefer relative import gives a linter error when we use package import. I use package imports, so whenever I create a new project, I add always use package imports in my analyticoption.yaml file. Now we'll see why we shouldn't combine relative and package imports. To demo this, I already created a singleton and importing this singleton using relative and absolute ways. Now when we try to read the value, we are getting different values. That's why we should avoid combining both type of imports in our project. Margin or padding. When we want to show same size of padding or margin, then we need to use edgeinserts.all. If we need to show the same size on top and bottom or left and right, then we need to use edgeinserts.symmetric. For different sizes on different sides, we can use edgeinserts from LTRB. Here LTRB stands for left, top, right and bottom. For adding margin or padding on few sides, we can use edgeinserts.only. Also, some widgets might have default padding or margin. While removing that, we can use edgeinserts.0. Always declare a function with return type. If your function doesn't have any return value, then you can use void as its return type. When the function is asynchronous, then use future void, because this feature return type helps other developers to await for the completion of this function if it is used inside an async call. When your function has a finite return type, then don't use dynamic. Only if your function returns more than one type of object, then use dynamic. Let's see some more quick tips. Use string interpolation instead of using string concatenation. Use if null or null aware instead of adding a null check. These will reduce number of lines of code, which internally reduce number of errors. These are few best practice that helps to write better code. If you know any other best practice, please put it in the comment section so that we will also get to know about that. Hope you like it. I will see you in my next video. Have a nice day.